Still wondering what kind of salad to bring to your Christmas table? Look no further. I'm here to drop a scrumptious recipe that's gonna tickle your taste buds and add a splash of color to your festive spread. Let's kick things off with half of that beautiful cabbage we've got on hand. Chop it up real fine. We want it nice and clean, so give it a good wash. Freshness is key for our salad masterpiece. Check out these peaches in syrup I have here, 150 grams of them. Those canned delights are about to bring a sweet twist we all crave. Slice them up into thin julienne strips so every forkful is like a little trip to Flavor Town. Next on our list are strawberries. I can't get enough of them. We'll need a good 300 grams of the ripest, juiciest ones you can find. Slice them up to add a burst of fresh, natural sweetness to our mix. And we can't overlook our red apple. Chop that baby into small cubes. I'm all for keeping the skin on. It's packed with nutrients. But hey, it's your call if you want to peel it. Either way, a quick lemon juice bath will keep it from going dark on us. Time for the cheese. Let's toss in 250 grams of cubed double cream cheese. It's gonna make our salad as comforting as a cozy blanket on a chilly evening. With all of our ingredients prepped and ready, we're heading to the best part, the dressing. This is where the magic happens, folks. We need about 100 grams of pineapple and syrup. Give it a good blend until it's nice and smooth. In a separate bowl, whip together 200 grams of cream, 4 heaping tablespoons of mayo, and 100 grams of condensed milk. Now fold in that blended pineapple. Trust me, this dressing is so good, you'll be tempted to eat it straight up with a spoon. Big hugs and hellos to Alfredo Ordonez and his lovely family in Santa Maria, and a warm shout out to Rosemary Lorena over in Barranca Bermeja. Your support means the world to me, and you're what makes this food community feel like family. Now, let's get this salad party started. Grab a large bowl and layer in our finely chopped cabbage. Next come the strawberries, the diced apple, the peaches, and the luxuriously creamy mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle in a handful of raisins for a touch of sweetness. Drizzle our homemade dressing over the top, but go slow, stirring with love and care to get that perfect coating. I'm all about that rich, saucy salad life, where the dressing is the star. But hey, you do you. Adjust the quantities to suit your own salad dreams. Cooking is all about personal flair, and the only rule is to make it taste great. And just like that, in a few simple steps, you've whipped up a Christmas salad that's bursting with joy and flavor. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate, and it's as versatile as it is delicious, ready to complement any holiday main dish you've got planned. Cooking is art, my friends, and every dish is a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Share with me where you're joining from and how your salad masterpiece turned out. Catch you on the next video where we'll continue to spread the cheer with more tantalizing recipes. Remember, the holiday season is all about the love we share, especially in the kitchen. So here's to dishes made with heart and enjoyed with a smile.